and some kids stand. Some use voices, some use hands. Some wear glasses, some wear bows. But everyone can say hello. You're just right, just as you are, whether near or whether far, big or small, quiet or loud. Every heart can feel so proud. You belong, come sing along. In our world, we all belong. Some love dancing, some like books. Some might paint or help with cooks. Some use wheels to roll